Day 2 on Capitol Hill, it was time for Judge Amy Coney Barrett to face questions from senators. The chairman of the committee was in no doubt the president picked the right person to fill the vacancy caused by the death of Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
I would say you're one of the greatest picks President Trump could have made, and from the conservative side of the aisle, you're one of the most qualified people of your generation.
If you could be more specific in any way.
Several Democrats wanted the judge to make her position clear on controversial issues that may soon come before the Supreme Court. Money in politics, abortion and the Affordable Care Act. Again and again, the response was the same.
My personal views don't have anything to do with how I would decide cases, and I don't want anybody to be unclear about that. I'm not willing to make a deal, not with the committee, not with the president, not with anyone. I'm independent.
And she insisted her nomination was not linked to her taking any position on cases before the court.
I have made no commitment to anyone, not in this Senate, not over at the White House, about how I would decide any case.
Days before announcing the judge as the Supreme Court nominee, President Donald Trump said he wanted a full court, 9 justices, to deal with any issues coming out of the election. His comments on possible voter fraud sparking worries a lengthy court battle could follow. Judge Barrett said she considers stepping aside if there was any conflict of interest.
I certainly hope that all members of the committee have more confidence in my integrity than to think that I would allow myself to be used as a pawn to decide this election for the American people.
Senator Cory Booker tried to highlight differences between the nominee and the president. From his questions, she denounced white supremacy and acknowledged there was racial bias in America's judicial system.
It would be hard to imagine a criminal justice system as big as ours not having any implicit bias in it.
Senator Kamala Harris said the nomination was being rushed for political purposes.
Republicans are scrambling to confirm this nominee as fast as possible because they need one more Trump judge on the bench before November 10th to win and strike down the entire Affordable Care Act.
The appointment of judges in the US is very political, particularly for the Supreme Court. 88 of Judge Barrett's university colleagues have asked her to withdraw her nomination because the presidential election is so close. That's not going to happen, and she'll be back before the committee on day 3. Alan Fisher, Al Jazeera, on Capitol Hill.